Hello everyone, my name is Hans. Welcome to my channel, Abstract Art Boutique. I'm glad you guys have been enjoying the previous videos, and I'm gonna keep sharing and posting as I continue to paint. Today we're gonna be working with a 16 by 20 canvas, a pretty traditional canvas. We're gonna be using some black, some brass, some green, silver, gold, and I'm still on the fence whether I'll throw copper in or not, but it's a possibility. As far as the green goes, I'm gonna throw in some black. I'm gonna mix it in with some black. I wanna darken it up. I think this is it's a little light for what I'm trying to do today. I love that dark foresty green kind of vibe, and I think what I'm going for today is like a silver forest. That is the title. Boom, right there, silver forest. Hope you guys enjoy it. Feel free to leave any comments or likes, or if you want to see more, subscribe. Anything helps. I'm an artist living in Hollywood, and anything and everything is more than appreciated. Love you guys. Here we go.